With the vocabulary of this theme, we will learn about professions and occupations. Accountant is a person or company whose job is preparing the financial records of people, companies, or organizations. Actor or actress, someone who pretends to be someone else while performing in a film, play, or television or radio program. Architect, a person who designs new buildings and is responsible for how they are built. Artist is a person who paints, draws, or makes sculptures. An artist is also an actor, musician, dancer, or other performer. Assembler is a worker that puts together the parts of an object being manufactured. Baker, a person whose job is to make bread and cakes for sale. Bus driver, someone whose job is to drive a bus. Butcher, a person who sells meat in a shop. Construction worker, a person who works in a construction of buildings, houses, or structures. Farmer, a person who owns or takes care of a farm. Delivery person, a person who works in delivering letters, packages, or other goods. Firefighter, someone whose job is to stop fires and to save people and property from being harmed. Fisherman or fishergirl, someone who catches fish either as a job or as a sport. Lawyer, someone whose job is to give advice to people about the law and speak for them in court. Pharmacist, a person who is training to prepare and give out medicines in a hospital or shop. Police officer, a male or female member of the police force. Taxi driver, a person who drives a taxi as a job. Waiter, a person whose job is to serve meals to people in a restaurant.